Best deals.
1. Cheese grater. The bottom side blades grate in a circular motion for speed grating foods like carrot and zucchini, with a guide rim for easy grating in either direction. The top side blades grate in both an up and down motion for efficient grating, featuring an extra wide plane for large foods like blocks of cheese. Unique blade cover securely snaps on to protect both sides of the razor-sharp blades for worry-free storage in your drawers. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Butter knife. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, this butter knife offers long-lasting durability and is resistant to daily kitchenware. Its mirror finish enhances surface smoothness for simple cleaning. Designed for comfort, the edges are repolished. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Chopper. Comes with a whisk attachment, perfect for effortlessly whipping eggs, making fluffy omelets, mixing batters, and blending sauces in seconds. Just pull the cord to chop vegetables for salads, soups or stir-fry dishes. Chopper for kitchen make cooking quick and easy. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Egg rolling dispenser. Can be cleaned with ease, no assembly is required, just place your eggs on the organizer and they're ready to roll, designed with anti-slip bottom. 2-tier organizer with small footprint saves fridge space and lets you ditch the carton. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Toilet paper holder. The full coverage box of this toilet paper stand holder keeps your toilet paper from getting wet and also avoid bacteria breeding due to moisture or dust. High load bearing capacity. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Sink organizer. Features a 360 degrees rotatable spout that swivels, allowing excess water from sponges and brushes to drain directly into the sink. Say goodbye to water pooling on your countertop, no need to frequently remove the drip tray for cleaning, saving your time and effort. The small size of the sponge holder makes it suitable for kitchens with limited space. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Dish sponge. Quickly and efficiently clean utensils, dishes, furniture, siding, sneakers, bathtubs and more. Anywhere there is dirt, grime, or gunk, Simplest can help. And yes, it makes a great bathroom scrubber. Designed to fit comfortably in your hand, providing good grip and coverage so you can spend less time scrubbing. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Garlic press. Crushes garlic cloves without the need to peel first. Automatically scrapes off excess garlic and cleans itself. This is the best garlic chopper, easy to clean, just rinse with water. With this powerful press you don't have to peel the cloves. Just place in the insert and press. Crusher is lightweight must requirement in your kitchen to avoid smelly hands of garlic clove. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dokla maker. Cool touch Bakelite handles for safe handling, equipped with durable heat-resistant Bakelite side handles for a secure, cool touch grip. Easily lift, carry, or open the pot even when hot, no cloth or mitts needed. Effortless plate removal comes with a premium lifter tool to safely lift hot plates without touching metal. Prevents burns, spills, and discomfort. Modern, space-saving design, a first-of-its-kind square idly pot that fits neatly on all gas stoves and stores easily in modular kitchens. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Silicone funnel. Makes it easy to pour and transfer liquids, solids and powders. Small funnels for filling small bottles can be used as a hot sauce funnel. Funnels are simple to use and easy to clean. Our silicone funnels are machine washable. To hand wash, just add a dab of soap and lather. Then rinse with warm water. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Chopper board. Polypropylene (PP) is a thermoplastic addition polymer made from the combination of propylene monomers. Polypropylene is an extremely durable material. A perfect tool for cutting off vegetable and fruit without any finger cuts. Two-sided razor-sharp blades helps to chop all vegetables in shapes and sizes of your choice. You can cut any boiled vegetable with a cutter on it. This board is heat-resistant. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Chair. Made with high-strength PP material using an integrated molding process, the chair offers exceptional durability, rigidity, and impact resistance. Its solid build ensures long-term use without cracking or deformation, making it a dependable seating option for daily use in various settings. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Toothbrush holder. Designed to store toothbrushes in a vertical position, promoting quick drying and preventing moisture buildup. This toothbrush holder ensures optimal hygiene by reducing the risk of bacterial growth, while keeps the brushes easily accessible. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Electric coffee grinder. Convenient charging design, simply plug into USB port of PC, power bank or charger to use, easy to use and easy to operate, grind and use immediately, the taste is better. Electric coffee its and fast motor offers long-term durability that will not rust or corrode, ensuring safety of your food. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Basket. Crafted using high-quality, food-safe stainless steel, this 12-inch mesh basket is built to last. It is rust-resistant, corrosion-free, and highly durable, making it ideal for daily use in the kitchen or dining space. The heavy-duty material ensures sturdiness while maintaining a sleek, modern silver finish. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Bottle cleaning brush. Can be used to clean not only cup lids but also keyboard gaps, kitchen appliances, and more. Specially designed for cleaning hard-to-reach spaces like cup lid gaps, crevices, and corners. Rinse the brush under running water or toss it in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Made from high-quality materials to withstand regular use without wear or damage. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Drainer rack. The perfect kitchen companion simplifies organization and storage, keeping your countertop tidy and your tasks efficient. It's an essential addition to any modern kitchen. This 2-layer rack comes with the dish rack, providing additional space to hold cooking spatulas, spoons, forks, knives, glasses, and other crockery items. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Egg separator. Just place it on top of your bowl, crack an egg into the separator slots, and within 3 seconds, you'll have perfectly separated egg yolk and egg white. It's quick, effortless, and ensures a mess-free experience. You can save time and enjoy the convenience of separating eggs with ease. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Vacuum cleaner. The product has easy-to-use foot-operated power on-off and auto cord winder switch that automatically winds the cord to protect the wire from damage. This vacuum cleaner has dust bag full indicator to indicate when the dust bag is full for timely dirt disposal. This vacuum cleaner has 5 accessories for various cleaning needs. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Spice rack set. Contain 3 holes with twistable lids, making it easy to use and refill. Keeps spices fresh and free from odor. It helps keep your spices fresh and free from moisture and odor. This spice jar set is easy to clean and can be put through your dishwasher. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Butter stirrer. Made of high-quality materials for rust resistance and easy cleaning, the sturdy design withstands frequent use without bending or breaking, making it a reliable kitchen companion. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cloth roll. Made from high-quality microfiber fabric, these towels are soft, lint-free, and scratch-free, making them perfect for all surfaces, including sensitive ones. Use them confidently on countertops, dishes, and even delicate automobile interiors, designed to withstand hundreds of washes without fraying. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Coconut scraper. Constructed with high-strength metal for durability. The well-designed frame withstands applied force during use, with each corner expertly welded for added strength. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Pot handle. The detachable handle is designed for comfort, fitting perfectly into the natural curve of your hand, making every flip effortless and enjoyable. The removable handle offers exceptional convenience for any pots and pans. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Wrap dispenser. Designed for plastic wrap, cling wrap, aluminum foil paper, and wax paper, this kitchen roll holder provides smooth, one-handed operation for easy food storage. The foil cutter for kitchen features a sharp sliding blade that ensures clean, tangle-free cuts with no waste. This foil paper cutter and holder dispenser has a compact, non-slip base and a weighted design to prevent tipping during use. Quick release system allows for simple refilling of standard-sized wrap rolls up to 30 cm wide. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Oil sprayer. Features a sleek, transparent body with a durable black nozzle, combining elegance with practicality. Perfect for modern kitchens, it lets you monitor oil levels easily while adding style to your countertop. Designed with an advanced atomizing nozzle, this oil dispenser delivers a uniform, fine mist that helps you control oil usage efficiently. Ideal for salads, air fryers, baking, roasting, and pan frying, ensuring perfect flavor with minimal oil. Made from thick, food-grade borosilicate glass, this oil bottle is sturdy, BPA-free, and resistant to heat and corrosion. It preserves the freshness and quality of oil, vinegar, or sauce for safe and long-lasting kitchen use. Equipped with a tight seal design and ergonomic trigger, this oil sprayer ensures a consistent spray without drips or spills. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Mosquito bat. Use it manually is a mosquito racket to zap flying insects like mosquitoes and flies, or activate the 5 UV light beads for enhanced attraction and elimination, ensuring a mosquito-free environment. The 3-layer safety mesh prevents accidental contact with the high-voltage grid, ensuring safe use. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Ice cube tray. Ideal for chilling beverages, cocktails, smoothies, and more. Made from BPA-free, safe plastic for everyday use. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Sink. Features a pull-down spray nozzle, which offers flexibility in washing dishes or cleaning the sink. The pull-down faucet can switch between a steady stream or spray mode, making it versatile for various kitchen tasks. A unique addition, the sink has an integrated waterfall faucet built into the ledge. This design enhances the aesthetics of the sink and provides a gentle flow of water, adding to its functionality. The sink is made of high-quality 304 grade stainless steel, known for its durability, corrosion resistance. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Butter box. Designed with a secure, airtight lid, this butter box maintains freshness, prevents odor absorption, and protects butter from dust or moisture on your countertop. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Wet grinder. Uniform grinding pressure and 4-way grinding system, sturdy. Single-phase high-torque motor. Shock-proof ABS body and detachable stainless steel drum, unbreakable and transparent lids made of polycarbonate material, come with dough kneader, atta kneader, includes, wet grinder, 2 stones, lathe. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Garlic press. With a slight back and forth rocking motion, easily crush or mince garlic. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Pot. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. No dents or bulging. Quick cooking. Saves fuel up to 1,200 rupees per year. Lasts for decades. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. So, no cleaning hassles. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Coffee maker. Is an instrument of precision and artistry. It will transform your coffee ritual into an experience of discovery. High-fired ceramic construction for optimal heat retention, made with high-quality ceramic, the Atlantis French press superior heat retention ensures your coffee or tea stays warmer for longer. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Mini Electric Chopper. USB rechargeable electric food chopper allows you to quickly and easily chop fruits and vegetables, making it simpler than ever for busy moms to incorporate fresh, nutritious ingredients into their family's meals. With a powerful 45W motor and sharp stainless steel blades, a mini USB chopper processes ingredients in just 30 to 60 seconds. Spend less time in the kitchen and more quality time with your family. Mini electric chopper is incredibly easy to use. Just add your ingredients, secure the lid, and press the on button. Minimize your meal prep stress and enjoy more time with your loved ones. Mini food chopper is lightweight and travel friendly, fitting seamlessly into your busy mom lifestyle. Take it on the go for picnics, vacations, or even to work for quick and healthy snacks. Rechargeable chopper is designed with busy moms in mind. The bowl and blades are top rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time with your family. Portable electric chopper is perfect for daily use and fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Its lightweight and cordless space-saving build makes it especially suitable for small or modular kitchens. Chopper comes with a built-in safety mechanism that prevents operation until the lid is locked properly in the given slots and the lid button is pressed. The one-touch push button operation not only makes the mini chopper easy to use but it is also safe. Product link is given in the 35th link.